Famished. Extremely hungry. He is famished. Let's give him something to eat. I'm absolutely famished. Is there anything to eat? Deafening. Extremely loud. We can't tolerate the deafening sound coming from the party. The music was deafening at the concert. Excruciating. Extremely painful. My sister was in excruciating pain. My back is in excruciating pain, so I need something for it. Parched. Extremely thirsty. I gave him a bottle of water because he was parched. Could you give me a glass of water? My throat is parched. Obese. Very fat or overweight. She is obese. She needs to diet. He was obese, but now he is slim. Destitute. Extremely poor. The old man is destitute and lives on the road. We give some food to destitute people on the streets. Freezing. Extremely cold. It's freezing in here. We should get inside. The room is freezing. Please close the window. Enraged. Extremely angry or furious. My father was enraged with me for doing wrong. We were enraged by the plan. Awful. Very bad or unpleasant. Once I tasted that cake, I knew it was awful. The smell is awful in the room. Terrified. Extremely scared. She was terrified last night during the horror movie. The cat was terrified of the thunderstorm. Gorgeous. Very beautiful or pleasant. The peacock has gorgeous feathers. She looked gorgeous with a crown. Dwarf. Little people. He looks like a dwarf next to the tall girl. I met a postman. He is a dwarf. Affluent. Having a lot of money and possessions. His family is more affluent than most. She has many affluent friends. Colossal. Extremely large or great. I want to eat a colossal amount on her birthday. This statue is colossal in this area. Minute. Extremely small or tiny. She explained the complex plan in minute detail. The test detected minute amounts of contamination in the water. Immaculate. Perfectly clean, neat, or tidy. I cleaned my desk until it was immaculate. The room was in immaculate condition.